the normal to a curve at P x of x comma y meets the x-axis at G. If the distance of G from the origin is twice the abscissa of P, then the curve is option A parabola, option B a circle, option C a hyperbola, and option D an ellipse. WB joint 2020. First we will calculate the slope of the tangent, that is dy by dx, then slope of normal minus dx by dy. The equation of the normal will be capital Y minus small y equal to minus dx by dy capital X minus small x. This meets x-axis at point G, where minus y equal to minus dx by dy capital X minus x. So capital X equal to, we will get from this equation, x plus y dx by dy. So G is, the point is x plus y dx by dy comma 0. Now here the distance of G from the origin is twice the abscissa of P. So OG equal to 2x. So we will get x plus y dx by dy equal to 2x. From here we will get y dx dy by dx, y dy by dx equal to x. So y dy equal to x dx. Integrating both sides, we will get y square by 2 equal to x square by 2 plus c square by 2. From this we will get y square minus x square equal to c square, which is a hyperbola, the equation of hyperbola. So the option C is the correct answer.